Yeah, we would like to know about you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Utkarsh, and my hobbies are listening music, playing games and engaging in all the activities, supporting friends and doing all the stuff. Thank you.
Okay.
Good afternoon, myself Sastik Mishra, and my hobbies are listening to music and reading to books, some comedy books.
Next.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Astha Tiwari and my hobby is playing badminton and my ambition is to go in medical field.
Okay. TV.
Good afternoon, I am Joshua Binujan of class 9. My hobby is to play football and read fiction adventure books.
Good. Next.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Aditi Pandey of class 3 and my hobby is to play badminton and
Good afternoon everyone, myself IHQuizComp from 11A and my hobby is to read historical articles from internet.
That's good.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Siddharth. My interests are in writing and painting. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Ravi Shahu. My hobby is reading books.
Good morning everyone, I am Satya Manik of 10th B and my hobby is reading newspaper and watching cartoons.
Next.
Greetings everyone. Myself Sana. I have the hobby of learning new languages and all the things that are new to me so that I can have my basic development as well as basic knowledge of everything that are around me.
Good morning everyone. Myself Apur Mishra and my hobby is to listen to music.
Okay.
Good morning everyone, I am Mayur Singh of class 9th A and my hobbies are to read books and sketch.
Sketching. Good. That's very good. Thank you children for your introduction. So now it's my duty to introduce the rounds of the inter-house quiz competition. Altogether we'll have 6 rounds. Anyone from among the participants? Which chemical is responsible for the smell of onion? The correct answer is?
Sulfur.
Yeah, sulfur allyl sulfide.
He played his 61st match to win this. He lost 60 times and this is 61st time he has won it. And you know at what age? Rohan Bopana's age? 42. He's 42 plus. And a story to be very proud of. So go back home today and read about him more. Okay? Go ahead, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Next question.
तुम क्यों हमेशा मेरे भाई को गाली देते रहते हो?
अरे वो कुर्सी पर लाने के लिए बोला था।
तो क्या हो गया?
इस लपड़ झंडू से।
Yes, team D. That's the correct answer. Fevicol. Team A, ready? You have time for.
ये ताज कैसे टूटा? भूकंप से नहीं, तूफान से नहीं। आइए देखते हैं। 110 सीसी इंजन है, इलेक्ट्रिक स्टार्ट भी है, और हाँ, माइलेज का बात भी है। महंगी होगी, सिर्फ 58,980 होती है। क्या? सिर्फ 58,981 में सब कुछ सचमुच।
Audience, children don't talk.
Enjoy.
Sorry?
Enjoy.
That's the answer.
Castrol.
No, sorry. Team C.
Adequate.
Sorry. Speak clearly.
Ambuja cement.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer. Anyone from amongst the audience? Yes, children? You're closer. Tell me the name. The correct answer is TVS Sport Self-Start. TVS Sport Self-Start School. DPS audience? Yes? No, that's the wrong answer. Anyone? Come amongst the participants. The correct answer is Kalyan Jewelers. Yes. Last one more for.
Is going. Speaker break. Speaker break. Okay. Speaker is ringing. Okay, fine. Okay, sir. Correct. Now. This mobile phone and this still box. Okay? Let's speak up the speaker.
Yes, sir, one more time. This is not working, sir. Right now, I will change it.
When we put the mobile phone in the steel box, it does not get connected. It shows that it is out of storage area. But right now the signal strength is strong enough, so it is getting connected. So I changed the question, sir. Okay? So let us go for this one. This is another one. And when I pull this thread in the middle, the speed of this hanger increases, rotational speed increases. Okay?
The speed increases. Why?
Sir, when you gave the torque and when you stretched the string, the masses were attached at the ends. So when you stretched it, the masses concentrated at the center and the ends became lightweighted. That is why the speed increased.
The activity you showed us represent law of conservation of angular momentum.
Good.
Because of initially the batteries were at the end, but after that, after pulling the thread, the distance between the center and the end and the batteries decreased. That's why the speed was increased.
Increases. Correct. So it is the law of conservation of angular momentum. The moment of inertia of the system decreases as the batteries comes at the center. Okay, good. On this glass, all these items can be, if you put over, can be easily balanced. Okay, but can I do it like this? To bring all these items over this one, can I hold it like that? Okay, so I am going to perform an activity on this one. Water. So this is drinking water, okay? And here is a tissue paper. I put small water over it. The candle is burning. Okay, we'll take some time. Fine. Now, like this. We can put additional material also. So the question is, how you can hold this heavy objects?
As the candle gets extinguished, the pressure, this whole phenomena we observed is because of the pressure difference created by the activity.
Okay.
As the candle gets extinguished, the pressure inside the glass got decreased, and the atmospheric pressure exerts pressure on the glass so that it does not fall and cancel the force of gravity.
Very good, very correct answer. Okay. As this candle extinguished, inside vacuum is created. Outside pressure is high enough, it is able to hold all these objects. Okay. Then when we inflate this balloon, okay, so two balloons are there, different balloons. Fine. Now when I release this rubber tube, you have to answer that which balloon will loses its volume. The smaller one or the bigger one?
Bigger one.
No. Which one? The smaller one.
So it was possible.
Why?
Now just not get chance.
Pressure difference.
No. In the
Sir, the air gone from the lower pressure to higher pressure region.
no. Yes. You have to say which balloon has higher pressure. Don't say pressure difference. Be specific. Yes.
The volume of air in the smaller balloon is less than the bigger balloon. So
The bigger balloon is higher surface area is higher to that.
So audience, next audience. Yes, anybody? Okay, so the answer is the exit pressure transfer P equals to twice as high R. Where R is radius, P is pressure, and this is reciprocal of radius. Smaller the radius, higher is the pressure. So in a smaller balloon, radius is small, so pressure is high. That's why air flow from lower to higher. Fine? And so in the field of technology, so that I can be a little updated and can use that in my teaching also. I will tell you more in chemistry demo round of this quiz competition. I will be demonstrating you few chemistry-based experiments. Observe these experiments, listen to my questions carefully and answer accordingly. In the first demo,
I'm starting with Team A, Satlaj. Satlaj House participants. In my first demo, I will be using 2 chemical substances. Hydrogen peroxide and some potassium chloride. Hydrogen peroxide, now going to add potassium permanganate. Ready to observe? Okay, see. Hydrogen peroxide, adding potassium permanganate. You have to tell me the reason behind the vigorous release of this white fume in A. I have to pass the question to Team D, Jayram.
Potassium permanganate oxidizes hydrogen peroxide and that's why this happens.
Okay, correct answer. Let me explain it little more. Potassium permanganate and hydrogen peroxide are reacting with each other, liberating water vapors and oxygen, along with release of enormous amount of heat energy. That heat energy is converting water into water vapor. Oxygen is escaping out with the water vapors in the form of white fumes. So correct answer, oxidation. Now the next demo, correct answer. Next demo is 14B, Jayram now. In this demo, I'll again be using potassium permanganate. First of all, I'll be igniting an incense stick. I'm going to ignite this incense stick. Now you can barely see the ignition, only smoke you can see. I'm going to take this ignition tube, this tube, going to put some potassium permanganate into this. I'm hitting this potassium permanganate. The place is gone. Hold the light. Now see. You can see the bright glow when I am putting this incense stick inside the test tube. You can see the bright glow of ignition. This side also, no glow. Putting inside, you can see the glow. Nothing came to the board. No glow of ignition. Putting inside, there is a glow. You can see outside is not. Again the glow. Okay, the question is to the Jayram House participant. To tell me the reason of this glow, why the stick is igniting the glow when it is put inside the test tube, but taking it off, the glow is getting off. Yeah.
Heating the potassium permanganate in the test tube decomposes it and it increases the volume of oxygen inside the test tube, and when you put the incense stick inside of it, it ignites because of the increased amount of oxygen.
Bingo, correct answer, absolutely correct. Potassium permanganate is decomposing to liberate oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is the supporter of burning. Packet of oxygen gas is helping incense stick to burn by producing bright glow. Well done, Team B. Now my next demo is for Team C, Ganges House. Thank you. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. This is potassium dichromate solution. I am taking this potassium dichromate solution in a beaker. This is urban water. Okay. What is the color? Orange color. Potassium dichromate, orange color. Now I am adding NaOH to it. Now what is the color? What is the color? It is yellow. Going to add hydrochloric acid to it now. It is again orange. So you have to tell me the reason for the change in color from orange to yellow and then back from yellow to orange.
Potassium dichromate is indicated, and when we add NaOH to it, it changes the color because it becomes basic. And when we again add HCl, it becomes basic, so it becomes orange.
Next is pass to Team D. Reason for changing color from orange to yellow, yellow to orange. Change in pH. Change in pH. Correct answer. Let me explain. When we have taken potassium dichromate solution, the orange color is due to dichromate ion. On adding NaOH, we are actually increasing the pH, by which the dichromate ion has changed to chromate ion. Chromate ion has yellow color. And when we are adding acid, again pH is decreasing, converting dichromate ion back to dichromate ion. We get this orange color. The correct answer is due to pH change. That's correct. Now, my next demo is for Team B. In this demo, I will be using 3 substances, 2 chemical substances and 1 material. One will be this, what glass I am using? Going to take some concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. This is extremely dangerous concentrated sulfuric acid called as king of chemicals. We use it for preparing so many other compounds. Now, yes, students, see I am adding potassium permanganate to it. Potassium permanganate I am adding to it. And it is changing to greenish color substance. Greenish color substance. Now, I am adding some cotton balls to it. Cotton balls. C. The intensity of reaction. The cotton balls are catching fire. Cotton balls are catching fire. You have to tell me the reason for this spontaneous fire. Reason for spontaneous fire. Okay. Now the question is for team A. Reason for spontaneous fire. Sorry? Sorry, no, it is not oxidation. Someone else? Yeah, team B.
Concentrated, reacting concentrated sulfuric acid and potassium permanganate makes a product which is very reactive with organic compound. And that's what as cotton.
To some extent, Ashutosh, I mean this, but not totally correct. So I'm passing this to team C. Yes, correct answer. Very good answer, Nisha. Excellent. Actually, concentrated sulfuric acid and potassium permanganate, they are reacting with each other, and potassium permanganate is changing to manganese heptoxide, Mn2O7. And that manganese heptoxide, you might have seen that before adding the cotton ball had reacted, is so unstable at room temperature that it liberates oxygen and enormous heat energy. That mixture of oxygen and heat energy triggers the spontaneous fire when it had come in contact with organic material called cotton. So it was due to release of oxygen. Correct answer. So I think I have showed my demos to all four teams. My last demo will be for, this is a polygon flask. I'm adding hydrogen peroxide to, I'm pouring in some hydrogen peroxide in this polygon flask. Okay. To this hydrogen peroxide, I'm going to add some dishwashing liquid. It is liquid dishwashing soap, you can see. Yes. Let me mix it also. I'm mixing the soap with hydrogen peroxide. Okay. Now half thing is done. In another container, I'm going to prepare a solution of potassium permanganate. Solution of potassium permanganate. Water, I'm adding this potassium permanganate. Yeah. Get ready. See what is going to happen. 3, 2, 1. This we say elephant toothpaste experiment. Now this could be this much froth can be used as a toothpaste for elephant. That's why it is very famous known experiment called as elephant toothpaste experiment. Okay. The reason behind this enormous froth. Audience. Reason behind the formation of this enormous froth. Class 11. Okay. Actually, reaction between hydrogen peroxide and potassium permanganate is liberating oxygen. And oxygen is frothing the soap. And when oxygen is coming out, froth lighter is also coming out. So it is oxygen which is frothing the soap. And the soap is coming out in the form of froth. Okay. I hope you all have enjoyed my chemistry demo round. We'll be seeing and looking for more in our different chemistry-based experiments and activities. Thank you very much.
Name a mint with a hole.
Polo.
Correct. What is 13 square equal to?
169.
Correct. If you are running a race and pass the person in second place, what place would you be now?
Second.
Correct. Spell sincerely.
Sincerely.
Very good. That's correct. So you got 7 correct answers. The first answer which you didn't get, which country is known as land of thousand lakes? It's Finland. Then what is the name of the news channel Alia Bhatt works for? That is India Now. St. Basil's Cathedral, the famous monument, is in Russia. Team D, ready? And your time starts now. Which country is known as land of lilies? Pass. Every cloud has a dash. Complete this proverb. Silver lily. Correct. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Correct. Superstar Rajesh Khanna is the father-in-law of which star? Akshay Kumar. Correct. 7th April is World Health Day. Am I right or wrong? Wrong. Wrong. Buckingham Palace is in London or Paris?
London.
Correct. Desh ki dhadkan is the tagline of which company? Pass. If a plane crashes on the border between the United States and Canada, where do they bury the survivors? Pass. If you were born in odd numbered year, when will you celebrate your 50th birthday in odd or even year? Even. Wrong. Spell appearance. Appearance. That's wrong. Appearance. 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 If you were born in odd numbered year, when will you celebrate your birthday? You'll be celebrating in the odd year itself. If a plane crashes on the border between the United States and Canada, where do they bury the survivors? We don't bury the survivors. They have survived. Desh ki dhadkan is the tagline of Hero Honda. 7th April is World Health Day. That was the right statement. And the first one, which country is known as land of lilies? It is Canada. So how many they got it correct? 1, 2, 3. 3, only 3. Okay. Team A, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
And your time starts now. Which country is known as the land of golden pagoda?
Pass.